Hey guys, welcome back to a weekend vlog. Yes, weekend vlog. I'm taking you guys with me on a little trip. I'm doing a little weekend getaway with babe, and I'm packing. So I'm like, might as well just pick y'all up and check in with you guys. Am I the only one who waits to the very last minute to pack? When I say very last minute, I mean very last minute. Like, it is 1:45. My flight is at 6 o'clock, but I think the plane boards at 5:40. When I tell y'all I don't have nothing in my bag, nothing. All my stuff is right here in a pile. All this stuff right here. And I still have to take a shower. Yeah, so I don't know why. I mean, I only do this when it's a weekend trip. I have never done this like when we go on like our 7-day trips or like on a cruise, or I don't know. Right now it's just, I don't know. I'm excited, but at the same time, I don't know. I'm not super excited. I'm happy to get away from this weather. Like, I want some sun and palm trees and just like that summer breeze. But then it's supposed to rain on Monday, I think. So that's a bummer. But I'm going to start packing, and I'm just going to take you guys with me, and we're going to hang out. Yes. I don't know what we're getting into. I did want to go to Disney, but you got to have a reservation. Not only do you have to have a reservation, my favorite park is closed the days that I'm going to be there. So I don't know. But let me put this camera down and start packing because I need to take a shower and I need a couple hours of sleep. I don't know. I don't know why I'm tripping. Like, I should have did this 2 days ago, but I didn't. So I'm doing it now. All right, let me set y'all up because I only pay for one bag. So whatever don't fit in here, I take my Dior bag, and I keep my keep all stuff with little pillows. So yeah, I'm just taking a couple outfits. Couple outfits I got from H&M. Couple outfits I got from Zara. My skin is so dry. Oh, I hope it don't look nasty on the camera. Eee. Let me get myself together, y'all. Can't be exposing myself. There we go. So I got a couple short sets from H&M. Because remember I told y'all I'm just trying to be like real laid back and relaxed. So and if we, you know what I mean, just in case we go to like amusement park, because that was my plan. Like, I really wanted to go to Hollywood Studios because that's like one of my favorite parks, and they're closed the days that I will be there. So I'm just going to make it do what it do. We might go to Universal. So I want to pack up this bag, and I will see y'all in the morning. Okay, guys, welcome back to Life with Sid. I figure I will give y'all a quick room tour. This is just our first room, so we're only staying here for one night, and then we'll be going to our next destination. Here's the room. It's a cute little mirror, massive TV, body mirror. Ooh. Just a simple bathroom. This is just a quick little one night stay at the DoubleTree. We stay here because we used to always stay here when my daughter played soccer. So never really have a problem. It's not high end. It's like right in between. It's just enough for one night. But I didn't start vlogging earlier, like when we got a plane because we was running late. Y'all, today has been a day from, I don't want to say hell, but yeah. It's a long story, but I'm going to take a nap and then try to restart our day because, honey, when I tell you, we had a hell of a day. And so I need a nap. I need to unwind. I need to take a shower and start my day over because the energy, let me tell you, baby, a mess. But I'm going to go from starting over. I'm going to take a nap and start this whole day over, and hopefully it'll be much better. And I think tonight I'm going to share a little unboxing with you guys. So hopefully my day go a little bit better. Babe's been trying his best to get it together, but I need to shower, I need a nap, and start today over. So I will see y'all later.